Coronavirus fears wiped out all of this year's stock market gains. The Dow lost more than 1,000 points today. That's more than 3.5%. The Nasdaq and S&P 500 also tanked. The number of cases here in the U.S. shot up to 53 over the weekend as dozens of sick passengers returned from that cruise ship in Japan. The deadly virus is exploding outside China, and as Mark Phillips reports, the global economy is starting to gasp and wheeze.
The coronavirus is not just affecting the health of people, it's hitting the health of the economy. The New York stock market wiped out all its gains of this year.
If you're a trader, you need to be nimble. If you're a long-term investor, just don't look at your portfolio.
The virus's effects have hit Europe. This is normally carnival time in Venice, but the party's over, and the masks have changed. As the corona cluster hit northern Italy, the carnival has been canceled, and the tourists are getting out of town. Police roadblocks have been set up isolating two areas near Venice and Milan where the number of cases has risen above 200, by far the biggest outbreak in Europe. Around 50,000 people are being contained in the red zones. The virus has a firmer foothold in the Far East. In Daegu, Korea, the number of cases quadrupled over the weekend. A worry for its 2.5 million residents and for the 2,500 U.S. servicemen stationed there.
Our population is not vulnerable. Still, though, we're all nervous about it.
They're nervous, too, in Costa Mesa, California, where the city is trying to get a restraining order against plans to house up to 50 people who have tested positive for the virus in a local hospital.
We are not going to continue to be the place where everybody drops off their crises.
With a cluster of more than 200 cases now here in Italy, there's plenty of nervousness to go around. And Italian health authorities, Nora, say the next few days will be critical to see whether they've contained it.
All right, Mark, thank you.